Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's tap on About Tablet. Now let's scroll down and go to Backup and Restore, and here we've got this section Google Backups, so simply tap on Backup. We will be immediately transferred to the section where we can sign in or create the Google account, so just tap on Next. Here we have to add the account. If you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. So just tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And for some reason I've just lost my internet connection and I've got it again, so that's all right. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, we've got it saved, so just tap on entered. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So now we can decide what kind of data we'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's completely up to you. I'll pick only this one and tap on Confirm. So here we've got the section connected with the backup, so right now we've got everything marked in green, which means that we successfully added our Google account. We can tap on Other Device Data, so the option which we've chosen, and here we can check the our account actually, so we can for example remove some unnecessary files. We can basically check how much space we've got left, and under it we've got backup details. Here I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so we can avoid some additional charges, and to finish everything simply tap on Backup Now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.